Now we come to question number 18, case study based 2, scale factor and similarity scale factor. A scale drawing of an object is the same shape as the object but a different size. The scale of drawing is comparison of the length used on a drawing to length it represents. The scale is written as ratio. Similar figures. The ratio of two corresponding sides in similar figures is called scale factor. The ratio of corresponding sides in similar figures is called scale factor. Then scale factor is length in image upon corresponding length in object. This is the original length of object and this is the length of image. If one shape can become another using resizing, then the shapes are similar. See here. These are the similar shapes. These are the similar shapes on rotation, on turn. Then these are again similar shapes. These are some similar shapes are given. Hence two shapes are similar when one can become the other after a resize. Means the size is changed but these are similar. Flip, slide or turn. A model of a boat is made on the scale of 1:4. This is the scale factor given. The model is 120 centimeter long. This is the length of the model. The full size of the boat has a width of 60 centimeter. What is the width of scale model? Now the scale factor is given to be 1:4. Now we will solve this question. See here. This is question number 18. A part. Scale factor is length in image upon corresponding length in object. It is given. Now scale factor here is given 1/4. It is width of scale in model upon width of actual boat. Then it is 1/4 is equal to x upon 60 because width, actual width is given to be 60. From here after cross multiplying we get x is equal to 1/4 into 60. X is equal to 1/4 into 60. On cancellizing we get x is equal to 15 centimeter. Now next part. The next part of the question is B part. See here, this is the B part. What will affect the similarity of any two polygons? They are flipped horizontally, it will not affect, they will remain similar. They are dilated by a scale factor, no. They are translated down, no. They are not mirror image of one another. If they are not mirror image of one another, then it will affect the similarity of two polygons. Then its B is the answer of the B is the fourth part. Then question number C. If two similar triangles have a scale factor of A/B, which statement regarding the two triangles is true? The ratio of their perimeter is 3A/B. This is not true. Their altitudes have a ratio A/B. Yes, this is true because if two triangles are similar, then their altitudes are in similar ratio. It means the answer of this C part is, this is the second part is the answer of this C. Then question number D. 18D. The shadow of a stick 5 meter long is 2 meter. 5 meter long is the stick and 2 meter is the shadow. At the same time, the shadow of a tree 12.5 meter high is. This is the height of the tree and we are to find the shadow. Now see the answer of this D part. D part, length of tree upon length of stick is equal to shadow of tree upon shadow of stick. It means 12.5 by 5 is equal to x by 2. From here we get x is equal to 12.5 into 2 by 5 means x becomes to be 5 meter. Then the next question is E part. See, this is the E part. Below you see a student's mathematical model of a farmhouse. This is the model of a farmhouse. Roof with measurements. The attic floor ABCD is model in a square. This ABCD is the square. The beams that support the roof are the edges of rectangular prism. E, F, G, H, K, L, M, N. See, this is E, F, G, H, K, L, M, K, L, M, N. E is the middle of 80. Here E is the middle of 80. This 80 is the edge. These are the edges. See, these are the edges. These are, then these, this is the edge, and here this one is the edge, this is the edge, this is the edge. These are the edges of the prism. Now it is given E is midpoint of the edge 80, and here F is midpoint of the edge TB, G is midpoint of the edge TC. Similarly, H is midpoint of TD. Now the middle of CT and H is middle of DT. All the edges of the pyramid in the model have length of 12 meter, and these edges are all 12 meter. This edge 80 is also 12 meter. Then E is the mid of 80, then ET will be 12 by 2, that is 6 meter. Similarly, EA will be 6 meter. Now we are to find what is the length of EF. EF is one of the horizontal edge of the block. See here EF. Now we are to find the length of this EF. See, we have this triangle and this triangle. These triangles are the similar triangles. Means TE by TA is equal to TF by TB. Or otherwise by BPT also we can solve this. TE by EA is equal to TF by FB. Now see here, we have triangle TEF is similar to triangle TAB. Triangle TEF is similar to triangle TAB. Then TE by TA is equal to EF by AB is equal to TF by TB. Now by applying the values, we get the value of EF is equal to 6 meters. This is the solution. See, this is the solution of this question number 18.